Hello.
Rainstorm, take me away from the north. I got to tell you something. This phenomenon, I had to put it in a song, and it goes like, whoa, amber is the color of your energy. Whoa, shades of gold displayed naturally. You wanna know what brings me here? Glide through my headline to fear, and I know why. Whoa, amber is the color of your energy. Whoa, shades of gold displayed naturally. Whoa, amber is the color of your energy. Whoa, shades of gold displayed naturally. You live too far away. Voice rings like a bell anyway. Don't give up your independence. Unless it feels so right. Nothing good comes easily. Sometimes you got to fight. Whoa, amber is the color of your energy. Whoa, shades of gold displayed naturally. Lost 1,000 ships in my heart, so easy. Still it's fine from afar, and you know that. Whoa, rainstorm, me away from the north. Whoa, I got to tell you something.
Look at natin itong Kuwas. Kuwas sticker. Kuwa dropped it. I needed a combo. Basketball combo. Hapak og sa water. Patay siya. Hello?
too soon. So may I give love to you, give love to me. No matter what they do or say, we'll be on our way. The world is gonna see some better days if feeling starts within yourself today. Such a simple way of price to pay for better days. The brightness and positive rays of your sun, it's calling us everyone. The waves and the surf that provide us the fun, it's calling us, it's calling us. We'll be under the sun. Hope for better days to come. The world is gonna see some better days if feeling starts within yourself today. Such a simple way of price to pay for better days. The world is gonna see some better days if feeling starts within yourself today. Such a simple way of price to pay for better days.
Gapon dito sa island.
Please put the water.
Bato rana.
Dito to ako medyo. Bati ba ako medyo.
We're ready to start. Ay, layata na eh.
Antay yung oras na ako. 2 minutes na binibili na ako.
Nagad ba ba?
Saan sir sa inyong oras? Bili ka dili ka ng kwan ba? Karang sa karang action cam ba kay makuha na kay kapulo na.
Nakuha na rin. Kasi 1 minute o mga pag-video. Dito lang ang medyo.
Oh, when these feelings run high, I'm gonna feel alive, like the rebirth that comes from within inside. I've got insight, fuck pride, I'ma live this life with no fear, swagger in my stride, this is who I am. See, sometimes it might seem hard, but you gotta push on to the next frame of my yo. Love life, living in sunshine, love life, living in sunshine. Stay with me, we can't let this go, you see. I'm up in arms, can't you see what's really going on? moss and your wall on your own, yeah. Let's bring back the sunshine. Let's bring back the sunshine.
Back when it was darkness, full of self-destructiveness, making a muck of it all when we would think you fuck this. Gonna push food in the cuts and the bruises, self-manifestation and crudeness. We need to use this for all positivity, cause I'm sick of kicking around all these deadbeats. Dead streets, we used to live a life of luxury, so let's get back to that.
Stay with me. We can't let this go, you see. I'm up in arms. Can't you see what's really going on? Can't you see that I am cool like home? That I am cool like home. Can't you see that I am cool like home? Forest in my mind, the velvet echoes. There's no one gets out of you alive.
Ano gulitin din ha? Wala life man.
Magtitigyan ka sa mga gamit, mas. Tanaw sila, tanaw.
No!
Kantil! May kantil oh. Bijuha diga.
Ato ka ma? Oo. Diri lang ka ma, katip ma, dali.
Ano nga ba yun?
Diri ka ma. Diri lang ka.
Diri ka sulod. Pares ni sir ba tapat. Mag-anak ka diri ma'am oh. Gini.
Ano? Ana ma, pag-ana ma. Ayo ma'am. Kita na ma'am. Kari ka dili adlaw diri ka sa kuan ma'am. Ay, di pa
ato. Okay. Okay. Marami lang ako.
Dali, kapoy yun yun.
Ibili na go, Ruby.
Pang-pang.
Mom, as a new boyfriend.
Ana ma'am, ilayo lang imong ulo ma'am, ana sa gamay.
Here, wear a life vest. Wear a life vest.
Sige na pa yan.
Okay, I'm going down.
Tagak pa yan.
Ay, buta diri. Ha? Ako ibili diri. Pusa. Pusa. Yatay.
Hey, turtle!
Kaunan eh. Ako. Tanaw mo yung nagsakan ako para makita ko.
Thank you.
Hindi ko kasama maglaw ma'am kay
Ako naman.
Tayo na namin mga tulog.
I love Cebu. Charis.
B. Ano? Ahí va arriba. Arriba. Ahí arriba. Bien.
want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car, I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. See, my old man's got a problem. Yeah, with the bottle, that's the way it is. He says his body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like his. My mama went off and left him. She wanted more from life than he could give. I said, somebody's got to take care of him. So I quit school and that's what I did. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. So I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights stay out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car. We go cruise and entertain ourselves. Still ain't got a job. Now work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better. You'll find work and I'll get promoted. We'll move out of the shelter, buy a bigger house and live in the suburbs. So I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights stay out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone.